Recipe time with choosing foods for me. Remember to keep food safe and fight back. Clean, separate, cook, and chill. Clean. Clean your hands. Make sure you do it for 20 seconds. Get between those fingers, round those wrists, in those nails, and then dry and turn off the water. Clean. Remember to clean your surfaces before you make recipes in the kitchen. You can do this by making your own solution with 1/4 teaspoon of non-scented bleach and 2 cups of water. Clean. Always remember to clean your produce. Now for our recipe. Oven fries. Our ingredients are non-stick cooking spray, 4 medium baking potatoes or sweet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, and seasoning. Look, I have everything out and ready to go. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees. Always have an adult with you when you are doing anything in the kitchen, especially heating an oven. Lightly spray baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Always remember to do this over a sink or a towel because this is a good food safety rule so you don't slip and fall. Now wash potatoes thoroughly and dry with a paper towel. We know we should wash, but we dry so that when we cut, it's easier and we don't slip with a knife. Now cut the potatoes into long strips about a 1/2 inch thick. Again, always have a parent and use the rocking motion as you cut your potatoes. Now let's put our 2 tablespoons of oil in our plastic bag where the potatoes are. Then we're going to seal, shake, add salt, pepper, and any other seasonings, and shake again. Spread strips in a single layer on a baking sheet and place in the preheated oven. Bake at 475 for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, take sheet out of oven and turn potato strips over, like this. Then immediately return sheet to oven and bake 475 for 15 more minutes. After the 15 minutes, take them out, put them on a plate, then serve. They're delicious. This is a much healthier version than fast food fries. You can find this recipe and others in the 4th grade curriculum, Choosing Foods for Me.